Google Messages is finally giving Android users more customization and personalization options with chat themes. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Up till now, thanks to an update introduced in 2024, Android users could change colors in their chat with 9 options for message bubbles and backgrounds. Now the new chat theme option makes 9 look like a small number as it replaces that and provides you with more extensive customization. The more options come with a trade-off. Google says that unlike the previous approach, only you will see these changes. To change the theme, you just have to go to the conversation preview at the top of the screen. There, you'll get a carousel of colors that match the system-level dynamic color palettes. Then you have wallpapers, and for that, Google is providing you with a stock of categories like animals, architecture, black and white, cityscapes, landscapes, macro, and more. This is also similar to the Google wallpaper options, and if you don't find anything to your liking, you can always manually choose a photo to match your aesthetic. Almost all modem messaging app offers this level of customization to their interface, and Google is finally joining the party. But don't get too excited, as this chat themes option is still not available on several devices, which means Google is rolling this out slowly in phases as usual. According to the Reddit report today, you'll see change colors become chat theme once it's available on your device. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll never miss any update.